Hello, Erica. Hello, Sophia. Erica. Yes, Sophia. Erica. Are you thinking I want to celebrate Halloween because of Erica's death? Oh no, because Sophia, you are warm. Erica, stop thinking I'm warm. I want to celebrate Halloween because it's your death. I want to celebrate Erica's death, and I'm gonna kill you with a chainsaw on real life. Sophia, don't you dare bully me, because otherwise I'm going to punish you for that. I don't care, Erica. Erica, I want to tell you something. And Erica, guess what? Because I want to cancel Halloween because I don't like Halloween. I want to cancel Halloween because I don't want people to celebrate Halloween never again. Because, Sophia, you are wrong. Because people like to celebrate Halloween because people get to just go out to see pumpkins, see Halloween decorations, do some quick cooking. Okay, Erica, you leave me no choice. I gotta kill you with a chainsaw right now. Don't you dare, Sophia. I'm about to do it. Look at my chainsaw. Look at my chainsaw. And Erica, and Erica, what do you think about my chainsaw? Sophia, you're not going to kill me because celebrating of Erica's death on the 31st of October 2022 nothing to do with Halloween. Erica, you are wrong, because people like to celebrate Erica Goth's death on 31 of October 2022 every year, and every year is to do with Halloween. Sophia, you are so wrong. I don't care about you, Erica. I want to kill you because I do it every year. Sophia, stop bringing me every year before Halloween. Nothing. Because I don't want to get involved for your Halloween videos. Because I don't like it. Who cares about you, Erica? I'm going to kill you, Erica. No! Don't you dare, otherwise I will punish you. I will give you a big slap in your face. So, Erica, what are you going to do about it? I'm going to kill you with the chainsaw. Starting about to know. No, don't kill me. Hey, yeah. Ow! 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 Sophia, my daughter, what do you do that for? I feel pain. Ow! No! Don't put a chainsaw through my body. No, don't you dare. Ow. Don't you dare. No. Ow. No. Ow. That is extremely painful. Oh my God, Sophia, you put the chainsaw. Sophia, my daughter, you put a chainsaw through my body, my organs. Right now, I'm going to fight. I'm going to lose blood now, thanks to you. Because the reason you like to kill me, the video, or you feel happy to see me die, it was part of having video. See, I told you that, and Erica, people like to celebrate Halloween of Erica's death because And because I like to celebrate Erica and death is do it to do it to do it Halloween, because I am right to say you are wrong. No, it's not true. Ow, 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 ow. So Erica, guess what I did receive behind your back? What do you see? Because I see a tensor go through your body and your organs. No, 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 no. It's destroying and painful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not happy. Oh my god. Sophia, my daughter, how dare you? You put the tensor through my body and through my organs. That's it, Sophia. Are you eye for it? I'm going to give you a big slap in your face. No, Erica, don't you dare. Ow, Erica, why do you slap me? Because you deserve it, Sophia. Because I'm not going to let you bully me. Because guess what? Because you are evil and you want to make the video about killing me. Putting in YouTube because you do it every single year before Halloween starts. Oh my god, it's painful. Oh my god, I'm losing a lot of blood. Oh my god, I'm losing far too much blood, and right now I'm going to about to faint. I feel my heart about to stop beating. I'm breathing to death. Oh my god, I'm dying. Oh my god, I'm going to faint. I'm not able to live. Oh my god. Oh my god. Haha, Erica, you are a dead person now. Are you going to become a skeleton until next year on Halloween? I'm going to do with Erica Skeleton and get away to my new house with Erica Skeleton. And that is a part we celebrate Halloween because of Erica's death. Because Sophia Goth is always right to just say it. Because Erica Goth is wrong. Ha 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 ha. And let me take Erica's heart. Oh dear, Erica's heart stopped beating. Oh dear, it's not good. It is good. Okay. Oh my god, Erica, pulse is stopped. Oh my god, Erica is stopped breathing. That means Erica's dead. Oh dear. Oh dear. Guess what Sophia Goth did in the video? Sophia Goth killed Erica Goth in the video. That means Erica Goth is dead. Because guess what? I had to put guess what we're going to do with a dead body of Erica Goth? I'm going to do with a dead body in Erica Goth. I'm going to put it on the coffin. I'm going to bury my dead mother Erica Goth in a coffin in the garden. 1 year later, I will go to the garden. I will get this up. I will show the skeleton mother Erica Goth. I'm going to get away my house with having graduation. I'm going to get away and the skeleton mother Erica Goth. And a chill next year in the date of the 31st of October 2023. Next Halloween, we celebrate Halloween because of Erica's death. Okay, because people England, United Kingdom, and the whole world like to do it. okay, about Erica's death part of Halloween, because I'm always right, okay? Yeah, because Erica is dead. I know. I got a good idea. I got to do. I got to stop Erica over and over again. Ready, steady, go. Hey, yeah. Look at that, people. Look carefully. I stabbed Erica over and over again with a chainsaw. Look. I got to stab Erica's shoes. I'm going to stop Erica's shoes. Look. I'm stabbing Erica's shoes with a chainsaw. Look at that, people. I stabbed Erica's leg. Look. I stabbed Erica's leg. Oh my god. I stabbed Erica's belly. I stabbed Erica's arm. Look at that. Erica, I will stab Erica's everywhere in his body and neck and his head. I will stab Erica's head. I will do that to hit Erica with a chainsaw like that. Hey, yeah. Look at that. Guess what I just did? Because guess what, people? Because of people. Guess what I just doing right now? Because I hitting Erica's face with a chainsaw. And Erica is dead. Get that? Okay, that. Okay? Okay, right now I gotta chop Erica's head off to see his brain. Oh, I see his brain now. I gotta take brain out. I'm going to put in restaurant to people eat Erica's brain. There, I gotta take Erica's organs and put in this up to people to eat in restaurant. And Erica is dead. It is dead. Because guess what? Because Erica's daughter, Sophia Goth, killed Mother Erica Goth, and Erica Goth is dead. Yeah! And guess what we're going to do with a dead body of Erica Goth? I'm going to do with a dead body of Erica Goth, I'm going to put Erica Goth in coffin. Okay. And guess what I just did? I put Erica on coffin. Okay? Right now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to bury Erica right now. Okay? Okay. First thing first, I need my things to cover Erica. I'm going to bury Erica right now in this video. Okay? Here is the things about by Erica. I'm going to bury Erica before it can compose be or watching. Here. There. Guess what I did? Because guess what I did? Because I just did, I finished burying Erica. Okay? Because Erica is dead in real life. I already killed Erica, Goth. That is good. Okay? Okay, I want to say something first. Before I finish this video. Okay, starting from now. Okay. Okay. Rest in peace, my lovely, precious mother, Erica Goth. Okay. Erica Goth, you deserve to go to hell. I want you, speak to live on the no animal to live your speech into a God. And one day in your future, I will get a God, and a God and behaves like you speak inside the God. Okay, Erica, you are dead by now, because in your future, because I am a good person. I gotta go to heaven. I won't see you at heaven never again, Erica, because you are so dead by now. Okay, because guess what, Erica? Erica, I didn't bury you making that video yesterday because you are freaking dead by now. Okay? And guess what can I do with you, Erica, next year? Because next year, the 31st of October 2023, and next Halloween, I'm going to get you up. I'm going to show you the skeleton model Erica Goth. I'm going to do with skeleton model Erica Goth and be part of having get my new house. And so people not going to do cricket kissing. I get candy for people, and people saw Erica's skeleton, and that means people on England, a United Kingdom, and the whole world celebrate Halloween because it's Erica's death. And that means I have to cancel Halloween Day forever and every year. Because people, because guess what, I don't want people of England and the United Kingdom everywhere in the world, and never ever to celebrate Halloween never again. Okay? And that is against the law. Okay? Because that is against the law. That is against us, my law. A government and the Prime Minister and the people should know about it. We cancel Halloween every year, and that is against the law. Okay? Because that is last year. On 2022, people celebrate Halloween because of Erica's death. And guess what? It's the last year. Because the last year, and people going to celebrate Halloween because of Erica's death. And this is his last year. Was the date was 31 of October 2022. That is the last year. Now people celebrate Halloween because Erica's death. Not anymore until next year, 31 of October 2023. Halloween Day been cancelled forever for every year, and people never celebrate Halloween. Halloween because of Erica's death. Okay, people, I want you to share this video. Are you government? Are you Prime Minister? Are you people? Or other people and person to share that with your friends and family. Don't forget, and please understand everything I said, and please understand everything I said. Please get it in your mind. Okay, people. Okay, people. Because I feel so happy right now. Erica is dead already. Okay, people. Thank you to watching my night a long lobby video about Sophia Goth kill Erica Goth. And don't you forget to subscribe Erica Goth channel. And press like. Don't forget. Please get it in your mind. Okay. Goodbye, people. Thank you for watching a nice video. Bye. Goodbye. Shalom. Farewell. I mean, no, goodbye. Bye bye.